What's up, everybody? I'm Mark.
And I'm Faye.
We're the Grill Dads. We're super excited to announce, to show you our new line with Spiceology. We've got a bunch of stuff coming out. This one's called the Fall Guy. Let's talk about wet brine versus dry brine.
What do you think about wet brine, Mark?
They suck.
Why?
It makes a mess. You got to clean up all these dishes. You're cross-contaminating the refrigerator. Your wife makes you do it in the garage. You're getting bags of ice. It's awful. And at the end, I'm like, you know what? It is good, but I would have rather had pizza. So dry brine is super simple. Salt, sugar, and a bunch of different spices, right? But the salt and sugar do the brining. It draws the moisture out of the chicken. The salt dissolves into the moisture from the chicken, and then it reabsorbs back into the meat. So you get seasoning all the way through, but the really cool part is it breaks down the protein in the chicken wing. It denatures that protein, but here's the best part about it. Everyone's like, thinks that brining makes meat juicy.
No.
Because it's actually absorbing the water from the wet brine, but here's the reality. What's actually happening is, because the proteins are broken down in the chicken, they don't tighten up.
That's right.
When you cook it and squeeze all the juice out, which is actually what's happening.
Well, also, I don't want watery chicken. What I want is spicy, good seasoned chicken. Right, Mark?
Super simple. You do 2 to 3 teaspoons per pound. We're not gonna measure it because we've done this a lot now.
Yeah.
But you do 2 to 3 teaspoons per pound of chicken. All right, so you leave them uncovered in the fridge. That evaporates some of the extra moisture off of the skin. Plus the little bit of sugar that's in the brine. When we get it on the grill, it's gonna crisp up like magic.
That's right, it's gonna kind of caramelize the outside and the skin. And by the way, you're gonna get a crispy skin just like you would have in a fryer, but without the mess, without the oil, and this is dry brine.
And it tastes better because it's smoky and crispy from a grill.
Exactly, so again, uncovered. Leave it uncovered for how long?
24 hours.
24 hours. All right, so we should put some of this on here?
Do it.
All right, you got it.
All right, now, when you put these in the fridge, we want to do skin side up.
Yep.
And then right before we cook them, we tuck that guy in.
All right. All right, so we got the big green egg mini max rolling at about 400, 425. We're gonna go ahead and put our dry brined, the Fall Guy, our maple and chili, right on here, as Mark is doing here. Skin side up. He's gonna paw it all, or you want me to help you out?
You can help out.
Cool, thanks.
Crisp and delicious. Ouch! Yikes! That's the one I wanted.
That's the one I was looking for. All right.
I'm going for this one.
Which one?
Well, now that these have cooled down.
Oh my gosh, they were thermonuclear earlier. Jeez. Oh, this is great. Again, Fall Guy. This is maple. How'd you just do that? I just pulled that right off. Fall Guy. This is maple chili. This goes on everything, man. So good. Heavy on the chili.
Spicy, crispy, juicy.
I mean,
smoky.
Dry brine.
What else you need?
Nothing. Beer.
Flaky salt.
We should get a beer.
Where's the beer? We have beer?
Oh yeah.